I have a dogwatch hidden fence system and the collars are no longer working around the yard. So I want to test for continuity to make sure my loop around the yard wasn't damaged. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now the first thing you want to do is find your dogwatch system where it comes out of the house and goes into the ground. This is usually going to be near your base unit. If your loop is damaged, you should hear a beeping sound from your base unit. But if you want to double check and test continuity of your loop system, you can also do that with a voltmeter. Now, once you find where your dogwatch system comes out of your house, you should be able to just kind of lift this cover, and you're going to want to use these two contacts right here. So I have a multimeter, so I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn it down to conductivity, like that. And now we'll just set this thing on the ground. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get a continuity or voltmeter, multimeter if you want to call it that, so you can test your own system. So if I test these two wires, see how my meter still says open lead or OL. That means there is not conductivity. If you just touch the two contacts together, there's continuity. So my system certainly has an issue. So what this means is I need to find the break in my loop system. That's how you can use a multimeter to test your loop system in your hidden fence. If your continuity checks out okay, you can start to troubleshoot your base unit, and I have another video on how to do that. If you do have a broken wire in your system, check out my next video. I'm going to show you how to find the break in your dogwatch invisible fence. And this should work for most invisible fences. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.